choose how long you want each file to be. There are 3 resolutions you can choose: motion detection, the dashcam